in fact, and Marino.
Okay.
So FIFI, Richardo got his prediction correct.
Catch us a young check for. And I say, you cost pina. Me shit teams in a Bona Liga now. You bet me I share Barcelona.
Madrid Grand Division.
No, Madrid. David.
Hey, I'll let you go.
That's so that is a much jijum so.
Yes.
Phone the moment.
Omonyade.
So that.
Omonyade.
Any team. So call a Liga anymore. The only team on the make us on share hands down. Barcelona team. Atletico Madrid,
Real Betis,
Real Madrid,
Athletic Bilbao, behind to me.
And
but quarterfinals, no, Mukushia team and no one didn't.
Leon. And yeah, and that's my team.
Aye. Any Alexander, like I said. Mbashom. Leon, don't watching go for 4-3-4-3.
Is it semi final?
Leon, Efrio.
Europa,
but teams not teams not can hear more.
Why no? I told you I must be.
Athletic Bilbao.
What you mean? Stretch ourselves as a Bilbao. Mister Ukospina. The only team I met me even says me Boakas or be saying hands down. Barcelona. Barcelona don't be saying.
Madrid.
You better say Real Madrid as Atletico Madrid.
As Athletic Bilbao.
As a Bilbao. As a teams now can in
Villarreal, Sevilla, Betis, Girona, Ubia.
Espanyol, Ubia, Beto. Only team I bet me a shot. Or bet me a say Barcelona. When I can't enter, you go Italy. The internet was all about Champions League.
But we Lazio more.
Lazio. Me say Kofi, you was semi-finals.
Frankfurt, over. Young boys last 2 seasons, young boys, Bodo Glimt. I'm so bit my bomb about. Ever. Tottenham must play. Ange Postecoglou. Rangers.
And your Rangers no a Mourinho's of. Yeah, Rob. Just say Mourinho.
I think they're not the Musi form. And Musi form, Power Old Trafford. And first few minutes now, 2 penalties. I'm saying, hey. How is the game going to pan out like Bruno Fernandes sharing the first goal, Yazaba, let's say, but which unim? The thing is that, say, Ruben Amorim, any team, no, fullbacks, especially with the wing backs now, almost every time you guys tend to play well. But which Lyon match, it's not going to be easy. Any easy, Sam, to be very honest with you. And for me, Europa League, you know, teams not coming in now who Rich and who the Inaki brothers now, the Williams brothers now. Nico Williams, any name near Inaki Williams, Rich, especially for Nico Williams. Over Kaya, a brother season about starting. And a boss of force Omupe, Nico Williams, they will do everything to get a young boy. In our analysis, not the BR catching a tear for say, Nintia. Nico Williams may not move to Barcelona. What in training now say for the very first time in a long time, Athletic club for the elbow in Europe, and there's a very high tendency. Said the final of the competition. You remember what son my man Rodumbi in Sadia, he would want to stay and then play with Nhyira and the Magical Night. Rich, if you are not follow the game and run a John Boy, first leg and normally down at Roma. At Roma, down at Roma. Before the game, official handle started tweeting, say it is for the Nikos, it is for the Williams brothers, and then you know, baby. Rich, to be very honest with you, and you know, Abrantia Feno, Nico Williams was up there, really instrumental. Of course, Abrantia Feno, Matt Hummels, this red card, and he has come back to come and apologize. But of course, this is the reason here Nico Williams, but what's now Athletic club. And this year, Bilbao 2025 final, clear, and Bilbao are still in it. So on the ball game, no one final. There is Lazio, there is Frankfurt, and now Frankfurt for Ajax. Which have you seen the boy called Hugo Ekitike? I had not watching for 90 minutes straight before until yesterday. Who's on my match? I'm born in 10 minutes. Ajax now. Rich, very good right foot. And there is a team of Frankfurt team now. I want to man Mabush every year. So there's a lot of pressure on him.
That's how coach Germany.
Yeah.
Let's not much go.
Yeah, who going to take it? Yeah. Mario Götze was at team. He still stood up. Yesterday I was very much impressed with Hugo Ekitike for the Frankfurt side. No, for Fagioli, Farioli or the manager for Ajax now. He tried to make sure Ajax when they progress, but they were just not good enough. Or stay most of the players, but still it wasn't going to be enough for him to qualify. CCR Lyon, Athletic Club, Bodo Glimt, Manchester United, Rangers, Toria Mospe after losing 1-0 to AZ Akma. Eba beye Jumane na through Abrantia friend Wilson Odobe. Eba she goes to Momo Lagio El Holm. Rich Semugia. Mulion and Jumani Onisia likely with Semushia, Rangers or Athletic Club de Bilbao in the semi-final for the final. Wow. Me per Manchester United Bilbao.
Any problem?
Semi-final.
Semi-final, there's no culture.
Manchester United.
You be clear, Lyon.
Lyon, I think you guys can do it.
You be clear.
Anna sometimes I'm here that for
and me are very sure that they be Bilbao. Likely Bilbao.
Yeah, Rangers.
And they say Spanish teams in the studio.
Yeah, Bilbao own very very good.
Who they is show mo.
They are more experienced.
Oh, so Okwa we are copper draw.
Okay.
Never be a game no fee.
Okay. So now Bruno Fernandes hat trick.
And Kofi na me say, and as a mood di Ballon d'Or come na. I'm Bobo players be no ja Bruno din. I don't know.
Rich. I'm in Pesa, man. How you know?
Bruno,
right here said Bruno
Fernandes.
For what?
Unless on Brantiano.
What does Bruno Fernandes?
He's
do?
a beast of a player.
He already is.
And I'm telling you, Bruno.
And a man Ballon d'Or player.
No, not born now or born. Say Bruno in a day or book game, not Bruno in a day. So Bruno and I mean Boba. Oh, a beast. Oh,
you're a very good player. But on your Ballon d'Or player.
Player or the team Airboy Europe unbeaten. They say Uko Europa. Manchester United unbeaten.
And I
Bamudi Ballon d'Or come
Europe won't unbeaten.
Any decline.
Chelsea see unbeaten or Europe.
Mbo conference.
And when you Europe na.
Europe battle.
I already see unbeaten senior.
Europe now mo bono. Coast clubs. That's what Bagana na. Yeah, coast club na. Because Chelsea next a year gamer. Yes, it be the Liga also Poland. We. Liga also.
Who is it? And now match ni say na any easy ka. Unim, me hwe match ya me say, hey, Nkofo be ya na ko penalties na reach aka so kan. First half, not a single shot on target. One single shot, Chelsea are more on target. And whether because Arsenal match, Chelsea will over the weekend in T. Enzo Maresca Copenhagen match, the starting lineup was okay. Menika Krate te Arsenal match, because which your Arsenal match here, you're international break. What you don't want is that you don't want to go for the break with a loss. And baby at Chelsea that Otiminia something from Arsenal as a consolidated top 4 on the kakra. It's me who starting lineup. I was worried. And 2-0 be now difficult Copenhagen. Then you can relax and go into the game with all young players being at the day. First off, or the two new Chelsea Academy boys, the Becca team, one are branch and Genesis entry. Ghana near branch. Then in the starting lineup, which Enzo Maresca can go tia about 4 flat centre backs. Centre backs 4, no full back. Uche game now about actually one Benoit Bellachile tossing Adrebiayo. And our left hand side about Chaloba. And our right hand side about Joshua Champion. Centre backs on 9. Then on the goalkeeper Felix Jorgens Nebejina put him. In fifth forum, started 2 senior midfielders in Moise Caicedo and Enzo Fernandez. Then played number 10, Kenan Drisby Hall. Any more about Tyree George, Jadon Sancho, any Pedro Neto. Which your ball first half new year. Not for me, my best player was a branch friend Tyree George. When is a Jadon Sancho in the year 2025? Statistics are not good for Jadon. I say ball retention, any dealt say obey more direct. Oh, and it affects him. Enzo Maresca started ball or what with a 3-back. Now he inverted a branch friend Joshua Champion as part of the inverted midfield. And inverting a branch friend Joshua Champion FIFA. It means that the box midfield which Chelsea could not play. Copenhagen dominating game throughout the first half. I was shot at Copenhagen and first half. press, counter press. Now Chelsea press was bad. It reach to the extent that you ever go half time. Commentator na all the match they say. We back Chelsea match a bar hundreds of times. E being see that. See a first half Chelsea boy single shot on target. Who be that? And I agree with him. Not even one single shot on target that Chelsea in the first half. And with reach, Enzo Mares can you dressing room open. And on starting all your substitutions. Marco Creya ever be replaced at bench friend Joshua Champon at right back. And Odi Chaloba call right side or centre back corner. And Obe inverting. Reach. And Odi Kopama back giving him. In the second half, then you could see okay, press na back because Kukreya himself the press was good, the counter press was good. Now for Chelsea to make creative chance. In fact, in the second half, things were bit light and day. All they compare first half now. Clear said Chelsea were dominating play very well to get something out of the game, you know. And of course, that goal for our brand here friend Kenan Drewsby Hall, it was a solo goal. But I was worried. I don't know. Maybe say Maresca the bench and then now say or Arsenal. So maybe the focus was there. But to play Copenhagen and struggle like that in the first half, they are very worrying. No question is rich.
But and also bet my factor.
Yeah.
So bet my catch your boys and say, look, you're a big game board this weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah, relaxing now. You
see the game. It was in the second half. A branch friend Kenan Drewsby Hall. Edis are going to then the job was already done for Chelsea. Or quarter-finals of the Conference League, you say clear Chelsea. Which teams need no credit? Nyaka and any teams. Where the league? Badge, crabby. With Bishop Badge, the league was only got the badge. The Torami who badge call, and I'm going to check it. League also of Poland. As a Fiorentina, and a correct team, and a Betis. That can mean Rapid Vienna, Liga also. Any other didn't know. Chelsea have a good draw, but it's only said. Near course and Toria Mospe, Arsenal, Aston Villa, Chelsea, Manchester United. It is almost assured. Say England being 5 automatic slots for Champions League in the next season. Okay. Near Kenya say some teams are quarter finals of the various competitions. No, at least they need just one win. It either say Man United may win one match. And I say Tottenham must be win one match. And I said there will be one win from those teams to be able to take England to the 5th slot. Or the meeting here shows in next season there is a possibility of 5 teams from Europe. Which 5 teams about Champions League among can be here.
To say.
So 5 teams back about Champions League.
In case you say about Champions League.
Monka.
You team near she.
Now they one team wants to say.
No, you teams are saying. You say about season be. Near Mamorim time. And then I'm one Koto players now. You fix team no. The Champions League they enjoy home crowd.
The rich, maybe at Chelsea now. Ball League also we are teams. And Rapid Vienna there the minimum way no crowd. Okay. Now straight to go in there, possibly to go in. I think say Fiorentina may go into our final now, and it's going to be an important one for Chelsea Football Club. What is story we are not by?
Giovanni.
I say Chelsea for ne chinchin Mozart Alpha Boy. Rich. But was the story not that throughout their 2 months, United and the boy Giovanni Kuenda?
You call home and 2 for 2
Okay, Kasa.
You call home. Abranton is a fine player, and we're young, age on the side. But your coin is kind of bobo. He said, United and Tuska Musa, which are when you scam Tungu. Nadia, what go to Lenny Euro? What Lenny Euro sing? What Lenny Euro sing? Not Lenny Euro, not the reason more. What Lenny Euro sing? If you don't say they want to scam, which United form release and almost every time someone can say, when the money never. Now Ruby na Morim na nature na adia no was sporting. Inti na wa bad ya this summer. Mo ni be showing back ho onim twi onim drebo. Mo kan ye fe nyira. Ana mo ko say market.
So enye market na say. Yes, si machin ya adwuma.
No, enye ni.
No, na say adwuma ye koye.
Go to play 40.
Na ga weton say.
Wait.
17 years European player.
Oh, say market.
Now who to learn Euro?
Entina must spend over 1 billion and conference.
Madrid ni earlier if any say Lille was a rent for 50 million learning Euro. You who answer also nya be 80 million craft cover learning Euro. Who club Bianca wasn't. Bianca wasn't. and price and your clubs need determine price.
Yes, yeah, be.
And you come over him. Let you end up and your last summer and I.
And yes, yeah, be.
Rich.
Yeah, and then rich crazy.
Chelsea say Obobeto the best talent all over the world. I'm to South America, the Emu. Estaba we can repay.
Okay.
I don't go for Giovanni Quenda Wabeka.
Yo.
Bueno, ni ma amene papa nya Guinea Bissau for. You will Guinea Bissau. I don't go Pimo Lisbon. Portugal League no Ankasano. Top 3 attackers okay who be. Only goal contributions. And under Ruben Amorim, what me boss wing back, we go winger. Inti a versatile player. Mr. Oringa Ben. Oringa Ben had it.
When for 10 million way.
No, not depending on any addition.
And yet, you must have
none of that addition.
Bob Biano about good for 10 million.
None of out on player, Nana.
Okay, yes,
because I read that. Utia more than that for Lenny Euro. What do you back at it in the movie? No, what was I? Lenny Euro close Yaba or buy out a new name movie. What can I make chat?
Market you
go Johnny Evans, not Euro to bank. Euro to bank. But the Korean car has one is a market. Man City, Man EPO, EPO, Conference League, and qualify for Champions League. Oh, next season Champions League, no mobi. Also, I won't be Europe. Also, I should have a relegation.
And think I'm able to play before the middle.
Who never play out? The party don't go no tournament. Don't go no tournament.
Now say I confirm that.
Don't go no tournament.
I confirm that.
See, oh, go for it. It Holland is a good
Holland. Monsieur no fan of you. I can't tell you on. Your boat is where we are. Oh, there once the grandma found to uncle.
Oh, go over.
Oh, no, go back.
We are
Hey, Monsieur no fan of Musa on your striker.
No, that's like already.
Holland.
Not so bad. Also,
the confidence. Woo. Hey, what branding?
No, the car. That's him. Who are also Holland? A top player.
I mean, technically, you have to consider. He's a fine player. You hold that play. I mean, or a team player.
He's a Mateta.
Oh, yeah. Sana Mete.
Mumbai Shark. No.
Oh, so only a situation. Young boy room. And it's Shark knows he said in love one. And your Manchester level. And no credit down. As the Victor Osimhen say, would you confirm Victor's ordinary Premier League in Kwa?
Any FA Cup, Nicali.
Alizo Ali Anya Krabia Europa Bikra, Obetia consider. So, but say Robum Bobby Kran had any idea. A bear problem. Maybe or perhaps Mateta no dear. I was at Crystal Palace, no media, I don't know. Say, Obetia consider. I don't see another Matramaco and Mobeno. And Yamatramaco, unboardable. Unboardable one. That's a weapon.
Mateta.
Mateta. He's a fine striker.
Oh, they find you fine be blue. Fine be blue.
Yeah, no. Could you now Tabasuda?
No, fine, baby, 5-4. Meet me, Abamu. I would have a share with you.
Yeah, level, no.
But I'm a parent. So you say you're not Giovanni Quenda head of Manchester United. I was excited.
Okay.
And Chelsea and agents over, but next season, Chrome, Sporting CP next season, 2027 over. And Estava will learn over Barber set. So, but yet, really, Randy, Chelsea. Hey, baby, in the next very
conference.
Oh, and your conference, I said, yeah, but now this weekend, see any Arsenal. Only Indiana.
Oh, Arsenal game, no likely draw. A draw game.
But
I better say no, no.
But Chelsea in Finfion. Boys in a ton of love, your money a day, a chironum, any money. The Aka is center forward correct one.
Okay.
See, here see you began correct.
All right.
But when I'm a person, can do or Marion Abasa.
Okay, what did your messages, Abba? Papa, come on, say 40 million for this small boy.
Small
it's
boy.
Too much.
Oh, I would say, what you doing, small boy.
And Papa Fifi, where the one would you name it? I say, Fifi. Man, you have the chance to play the UEFA Champions League. If they win the Europa League, I believe.
My guy, don't win anything.
Europa League,
don't win anything. If they win, if they win what? Don't win anything.
Yeah. Emphasis yɛma bɛsima kɔ so bɛmpa yɛala mmrakyena yɛba me no sɛ wɔ nsɛm pia bɛtumi aka na mesa mo yɛbɛtɔ 2000 sisi yɛnkyerɛ baako koraa enti monyɛ